Nails by Sonara Artis.
Hey, do it with consistency. Hey, that's why I got enemies. Hey, y'all can hear that a lot though, you hear me? No cap. Hey, Riz on the engineering side. Hey.
Hey, Nails by Sonara Artis. Welcome to the crew, y'all. Let's go. Hey guys, today I just want to do a little unboxing. So I finally got my Kiara Sky nail drill. It is portable, rechargeable, and I always wanted one. It's their new Beyond Pro. Okay, and I got the pink one. As you can see, it comes with their initials, KS, embedded in it. It has a pretty pink but shimmery color. A clamp to clamp onto your apron. An LED screen, which I love because you can see your RPMs accurately. So you can see your speed accurately. So you can put it as accurate as you want. Also comes with the forward and reverse. And this is where you put the handpiece. So I haven't opened it yet. So I'm opening it with you guys. Okay, I like this. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is more slender. Their handpiece is slender, okay? It's still lightweight, but you can definitely feel the weight. However, this handpiece, this pen is slim. Excuse the marker on my fingers. So I'm loving that. It also comes with that, you know, that little bit rod that, oh child, if I can get it out. Oh Lord, okay. That keeps, your drill, you know, in good shape. Also with one of these that keeps dust out. So if I can, I'm gonna slide it back in there, but child, honey, okay. Lock, unlock, lock. I like this. So you obviously put it in here how you see it. Boom. No struggle, very easy. I love this. Okay, so it also comes with a stand. And this is a silicone stand. And you just slide it up here if you want to, or you can definitely clamp it onto your apron or whatever you wear when you're servicing. Excuse me. When you're servicing your clients. So it comes with a side, I don't know, anyway, a side for you to put your handpiece. And let me see, if I was doing this, okay, so I would put mine right here. So I do want this on here. So I'm thinking just, don't laugh at me if I get it wrong the first time, guys. I appreciate it. And this is silicone straps too. How the hell do you put this on here? Child. I don't have a damn clue. Oh, yes I do. I think I do. Ooh. Oh, I'm so slow. Y'all, I'm retarded. Okay. So, I'm gonna just redo it. If I can. Okay, you put it in here, and then you push it down. And it makes a click. I had a slow moment. And you slide this in here. This is, I'm sure you use this when you're using it as, a way to clamp it on your apron or something. I don't know if it'd be a good fit to use it like this when you're working, but I think this is to hold when you're doing it. by your apron in a portable mode. However, it did come with a handpiece. Ooh, for you to just rest while you're doing regular nails or whatever the case may be. So that's cool. I haven't had one of these in a while. I kind of didn't really want one of these because I was so used to my Melody Susie having me just stick it right in there in a hole, but I think I like it like that. So I'm not sure if I'll be using this, but I'm gonna keep it, obviously. Comes with a charger to charge it up, but I noticed that it comes fully charged, so that's cute. And this is what I was looking for too. Their bits. So they come with the crystal mandrel and the crystal large barrel and fine. Now look at this, guys. You see that? You see that crystal girl? This is what I wanted. So freaking cute. And now that I got this mandrel, I'm like, damn, do I want to use my other ones? I have so many. But I'm just loving the little crystal accent that they have here. It just makes it even better. So let's see how loud or quiet this machine is. I'm going to unlock it. You see that click? Can you hear that click? It's fully open. And I'm going to place this in here as so. You heard that click? It's secure. I'm going to turn it on. I would never use my drill to tie. That's so scary. Okay. At 35 RPMs. That's what it sounds like. But I wouldn't use it past maybe this much. It's very sturdy. No shake. Very quiet. I love it. No vibration at all. I'm telling y'all, it feels so comfortable. And my hand is so small. And I'm sure that's going to benefit me as far as like relief. Shoot. And this is just a fine bit, y'all. Look at it. This thing is powerful. A fine bit. Just letting you guys see it take the shine and some acrylic off my nail. Look at that. A fine bit. Moving it out for me. It's very powerful. Whoa. And I'm going to try it with another bit. Yeah, this is fine for me, keeping it like that. So they're supposed to be compatible with regular other bits, because their collection is pretty high. But I did see that their bits were on sale. The collection of them were on sale. So if that's something you guys are interested in, it went down from $199 to $179. Me personally, I will continue purchasing my my bits from the nail supply or Amazon, wherever I see fit. So this is on 12. This is a brand new bit. It's medium. Oh, feels good. Oh. Well, guys, I'm satisfied. I feel like I'm going to be doing some pretty awesome nails with this. I'm so happy to have it. So if you guys were curious, go get it. I can't wait to do my first set using this. It's so cute, y'all. Look at that. I wish they gave you the options to have your own initials. That'd be pretty dope. But all right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, guys, if you like the video. Bye. Update on my nails that I did with my drill. This was a couple days after I filmed. So cute and orangey. I love it. And also, if you guys are still here with me, please subscribe to the channel, girl. What you waiting on? Bye.